Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best of tech so you can buy smarter. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Bluetooth speaker you can get your hands on right now, the JBL Flip 5. Let's get started. At first glance, the Flip 5 is sleek, solid, and stylish, but don't let its compact size fool you. This speaker delivers a mighty punch of sound, thanks to its 20-watt output and premium JBL sound signature. Whether you're into bass-heavy EDM, laid-back acoustic, or crisp podcasts, the Flip 5 brings out the clarity and punch in every genre. Let's talk design. It's cylindrical, easy to grip, and comes in a range of colors, though today we're focusing on the clean, bold black version. The materials feel rugged and high quality, designed to endure your everyday lifestyle. Plus, with its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can take it poolside, to the beach, or into the shower without worry. It's built for adventure, literally. Battery life? You're getting up to 12 hours of continuous playtime. That's a full day of music without needing to hunt for an outlet. Perfect for long hikes, road trips, or even a full workday with a soundtrack. And connectivity is simple. Bluetooth 4.2 ensures a stable wireless connection with your phone, tablet, or laptop. Pairing is quick and reliable, with a solid range that keeps the audio flowing even when you move around the house. The Flip 5 also comes with Party Boost. This means you can pair it with other JBL Party Boost compatible speakers for an even bigger, stereo experience. Sync 2 for immersive audio, or connect multiple for a true party vibe wherever you are. One feature it doesn't include is a speakerphone or voice assistant integration. It also won't charge your phone like some larger JBL models. But honestly, those omissions are easy to forgive considering what it does deliver. Rich, booming sound, a waterproof build, and serious portability. Unboxing the Flip 5, you'll find the speaker itself, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. No frills, no fluff. Just the essentials to get going right out of the box. And how does it perform in real-world use? Indoors, it fills a medium-sized room effortlessly. Outdoors, it holds its own against background noise, and the audio remains impressively punchy even at higher volumes. The bass, especially, is full-bodied and vibrant for a speaker of this size. If you're someone who likes to keep things simple but powerful, this speaker hits the sweet spot. No complicated setup, no unnecessary features, just a focus on sound, durability, and portability. To wrap it up, the JBL Flip 5 is still one of the best Bluetooth speakers out there for everyday users, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It's reliable, sounds great, and is tough enough to go wherever you do. That's it for today's breakdown. If you're considering the Flip 5, let us know in the comments what features matter most to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a product critique. See you next time.